Hi, my name is Jialin Deng. I'm from the Exertion Games Lab, Monash University. Today, I will present design of cyber food, beginning to understand food as computational artifact. In this work, we aim to propose a new approach for designing human food interactions beyond the boundaries between the edible and the digital world. We conceptualize a notion called cyber food, which means food that integrates with digital information, allowing for direct interactions to change the eating experience. We've seen that the increasing availability of computing technology has led a trend to combine interactivity and food to facilitate novel eating experiences, such as using various digital devices, sensors, and computers to augment multisensory and playful experiences while eating. However, to date, we found that most existing interactive eating systems mainly superimpose technology over existing foodstuff, that result in experiences that are critically dependent on digital devices rather than on the experiential affordances of food. And most of these systems still work even if the food is taken away or the diner does not even consume the food, as food and computing technology are physically separated. Therefore, we believe that this indirect interaction between humans and food limits the opportunities of making full use of the potential to celebrate the pleasurable and enjoyable experiences of eating. Instead, we seek a more direct digital integration with food by conceptualizing the notion of cyber food to explore new forms of human-food interactions. We conduct our research by designing prototypes of cyber food system in considering food as a focal material concern of interaction design, where food can be programmed to be responsive to human inputs and subsequently change its physical properties as outputs. We also hope to inspire human-food interactions beyond the existing boundaries between the edible and digital realms, and ultimately to enable novel experience of food. We started with analyzing existing works that took an outset in digital integration with food, results in a taxonomy of 4 groupings: representation, transformation, electronization, and computation. However, most of these works did not focus on the experience of eating, and hence there is a lack of understanding of how those systems affect the eating experience, which we believe is important to find out for the design of future cyber food systems. Here we present our 3 initial design concepts of cyber food. The first one called Super Energy Bar, which is an edible supercapacitor that can be electrically charged and discharged during eating. The second one is called Orchestral Bites. It is a series of edible loudspeakers allowing diners to play music by biting the bits when eating. Lastly, Cyber Bonbon is a dessert that can computationally regulate its flavor configuration via an integrated edible fluidic system. In the next step of our work, we will conduct studies on the associated eating experiences to create design strategies that aims to help designers and culinary practitioners to create novel experience with cyber food. To sum up, in this work, we proposed the notion of cyber food that seeks a more direct digital integration with food. We see our work as a starting point to explore the new approach for enriching human food interactions beyond the traditional boundaries between the edible and the digital realms. Thank you.